Today, we will talk about how to make money online with no investment. Making money online with no initial investment is a dream for many, especially those who may not have the capital to invest in a traditional business or side hustle. While it can take time, effort, and persistence, there are several ways to earn money online without needing to spend a dime upfront. Here's a detailed guide on how to get started. 1. Freelance work. The first step is identifying your skills and offering them on freelancing platforms. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or social media manager, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients who need specific services. To begin, create a profile that highlights your skills and past work, if applicable. Then, start applying for jobs or offering services at competitive rates. As you complete jobs and build a reputation, you can raise your rates and choose higher-paying projects. This method requires no upfront investment, only your skill and effort to get started. 2. Participate in online surveys and market research. One of the easiest ways to make money online with no investment is to sign up for survey sites. These sites allow you to share your opinions on various products or services in exchange for money or gift cards. To get started, sign up for trusted survey platforms such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Pinecone Research. Once you've signed up, you'll start receiving surveys based on your demographic information. You can complete surveys at your own pace, earning points that can be redeemed for rewards. All of this isn't a high-income option, it's an easy way to earn extra cash in your spare time. 3. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and effective way to earn money online without investment. You can promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. The first step is choosing a niche you're passionate about or have knowledge in. This could be anything from health and fitness to technology or beauty. After that, start promoting affiliate products on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. You can share your affiliate links through reviews, tutorials, or product recommendations. Over time, as you gain an audience, your affiliate income can grow. The key is to focus on promoting products that align with your niche and provide value to your audience. 4. Create content with a blog or YouTube channel. Blogging and YouTube content creation are both powerful ways to generate income online. While they may take time to gain traction, once you establish an audience, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Starting a YouTube channel works similarly. Create videos about topics you're interested in, whether it's educational content, entertainment, product reviews, or tutorials. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and earn money through ads. Additionally, you can promote affiliate links or get sponsorships as your channel grows. 5. Offer coaching or consulting services. If you have expertise in a particular area, such as business, fitness, language, or personal development, you can offer coaching or consulting services. To start, identify the areas where you excel and then create an online presence through platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook. You can also create your own website to promote your services. Offer one-on-one coaching sessions via video calls on platforms like Zoom or Skype. Many people are willing to pay for personalized advice and guidance, especially if you have a proven track record in a particular field. This method requires no upfront investment, just your knowledge and time to build a client base. 6. Sell handmade goods online. If you're crafty or artistic, you can sell handmade items online. Etsy is a popular platform where you can set up a free shop to sell your handmade creations, whether they're jewelry, home decor, or art. If you have existing materials and skills, you can start creating products right away, with no investment in buying additional stock. Promote your shop on social media to attract more buyers. Over time, as your reputation grows, you can increase your sales and turn your handmade creations into a profitable online business. 7. Sell photos or digital designs. If you are a photographer or graphic designer, you can sell your photos or digital designs on stock photo websites. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Istock allow creators to upload their content and earn money each time it's downloaded. To start, gather your best work, upload it to these platforms, and optimize your tags and descriptions to help customers find your images. You can upload a wide range of content, from scenic landscapes to product mock-ups or vector designs. This is a great way to generate passive income, as your work can continue to sell over time without additional effort. 8. Offer transcription and translation services. If you have good listening skills and attention to detail, transcription could be a profitable way to earn money online. Many companies require transcriptionists to convert audio or video recordings into text. Websites like Rev, Transcribium, and Scribie offer transcription work. Similarly, if you're fluent in multiple languages, translation services are in high demand. Platforms such as Django and 1 Hour Translation connect translators with clients needing documents, websites, or audio translated. These platforms allow you to start earning money immediately, as long as you have the required skills. 9. Become a website or app tester. Many companies pay for feedback on their websites or apps to ensure they are user-friendly and functional. By signing up for platforms like UserTesting or TestBirds, you can test websites and apps and provide feedback on your experience. Testing typically involves completing specific tasks on the site or app, then answering questions about usability. Each test can pay between $10 and $60, depending on the length and complexity. All you need is a computer or mobile device to get started. 10. Remote customer service. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives to assist customers through phone, email, or live chat. If you have strong communication skills and enjoy helping others, this could be a great option. Platforms like Indeed, FlexJobs, and Remote.co list remote customer service jobs. These positions often provide flexible hours and pay on an hourly or per incident basis. The only requirements are a reliable internet connection and the ability to communicate effectively. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.